We're here at the Matchday -1 training. Firstly, some well wishes for the national under-17 team as they depart the island.
Absolutely. We got back late in the afternoon yesterday to the technical centre, and the under-17s were doing their final preparation, final training. So we had a little chat with them, watched them training, and wished them all the best.
So, Coach, so that you've included Sir Fuller as a late entry to the team. Funny enough, we saw you at his last match where they lost, but he played a vital role, and when he scored, he actually walked to the stand to signal you, to let you know, Coach, I am deserving of. Did that game influence your decision on selecting him?
Yeah, absolutely. Listen to all the players. Everybody's got an opportunity. And the more I can get them games and watch, I watched Rooney for half a game and we included him. I watched Tyreek on video for 20 minutes and selected him. So every player has got a chance when I'm there and can watch them.
Okay, Coach. We play Trinidad tomorrow night at 8. What's the mindset heading into the match?
It's basically we're pleased with the win on Thursday. We said give Jamaica a smile at the end of the game, and I think the fans were all smiling, the families were, the players were, and I said now we've got to repeat it. That's gone, and we've got to do it again. We're going to use all the players, and we did that on Thursday, and I think they made a great influence to the subs who came up, and that's what we want again tomorrow. We want to come back to Kingston, a good crowd, and we want to entertain, and if we can do that and perform well, win the game.
Are you expecting a much tougher contest from this Trinidadian team?
Absolutely, I'd be the same. I'd be okay. I'd won, but we want to win the second, so it's exactly the same. We've said to the players, look, this is a Jamaican Reggae Boyz team. This is not a B team or a C team or a locals team. This is the proper team. This is the seniors. And we don't play friendlies. Everybody wants to beat Jamaica. And I think Trinidad want to beat us a lot more than probably other nations do. So we have to go into the contest exactly like we did on Thursday with that great attitude. Stay in the game, get stronger as the game goes on, subs make an impact, and win the game.
Can we see some more changes?
Yeah, absolutely. We're trying to include everybody and give people minutes. It's difficult, we've got 28 players. We did that on Thursday. We changed 9-10 players. Did it at irregular intervals, and I think it worked. So the team might not be the same, but everybody must be ready to impact whether they start or whether they come up.
Quality, tell me about the quality that you have seen in the first game at this team.
Just sheer attitude. We've seen that in the 2 days of training. This is only our 3rd day. We've tried to make the messages simple. We've given them a lot of information, and we've taken it on board and learned that the biggest thing is their attitude, their spirit. We've got quality, and I think that was the thing I've said to them, that we won the game, we did okay, but we can do better.
Sorry, Coach. Afternoon again. You mentioned the message being simple as possible, but is there any tactical tweaks you're planning ahead of tomorrow's match?
We will see. I would think so. We've got our way of playing, where we want to play, and we try to instill that in the players, and we need to take it on board. And as I said, I think the important thing is we need to be better tomorrow than we were on Thursday.
And finally, Coach, as you know, Mobay were a great support. I'm sure you're looking to something similar tomorrow night as well.
I said before the game, make Jamaica proud. For those who see you who are watching on YouTube, we need the supporters. That's what we play. I know they do it for themselves and for their families, but ultimately, when they get back to the hotel, they walk around town. It's nice to be greeted with a smile and well-done players.
All right, thank you very much, Coach.
Thank you.